Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and yes, I have another little pile of AliExpress. Oh, this is for you, Darren. You want me to open it and show?
Please.
I bought this for Darren. We are members. Well, where is the end? Oh, I hate that part. Here we go. I reuse these bags when I can. I love them. They're good, sturdy bags, but I can never find that sticky part. I got this for Darren. We are members of two Garden Railroad train clubs. Garden Railroad is G size. They're big, and you put them outdoors. We have a small, very small track, really just an oval, but I love it. So he wears these to the meetings and other places. So there you go. It's very wrinkled, but there you go. Ooh. Oh, not only did I just slam it down, look at that. That didn't sound like it was. Oh, okay, I see what it is. I'm not as worried, but it still makes me mad. I got these hairbrushes. I already have one. They're really good for dolls, especially like your Blythe dolls and your Smart dolls. I have a little bag that I keep extra outfits, some props and a hairbrush in, as well as some of the rubber bands, so that when you're out on a photo shoot or you're filming somewhere else, you're ready. All right, let's see what we got here. Boy, that is right up to the edge. Let me see if I can tear this one. Yep. Oh, okay, this is a keychain. This is for my doll looking for trouble, or one of my other dolls. It's like a little pink Glock. That's very cool. Okay, a little prop. This is, oh, I couldn't decide which one to get. So I also got a 1911. Very cool. Very cool. All right. Do I already have some of those? Yes. Where are they? Well, that's another question. All right. Bag and a bag and a bag and a bag and a bag. Always open your orders, eBay, Etsy, AliExpress, Temu, even Amazon. Open on camera, even if you're not going to, oh, that's to pierce my ear. One of my earrings is lower than the other. When I was young riding a horse, I got it torn in a branch, and I re-pierced it once. I don't need to go on about it. It pierced my ear. Always open on camera. Then you have proof if something arrives wrong or missing, because a lot of the sellers will act like you're a thief. Oh, this is cute. This is also for my trouble for her apocalyptic look. If I ever get that far. This is a little, oh, trying to open the wrong way. Pocket knife. How cute is that? See, she can be cute too. Very cute. Put that in mine. Clean my fingernails. Okay. Open your stuff on camera. I started to say 18 times. Even if you're not using it for a video, but quite honestly, we're nosy. We like to see what you got. I got a pair of these boots. They're a little different than the others that have the white sole. These are perfect for my vampires, my transcendents. Really cute. Or looking for trouble, or any of my dolls. I'll tell you, Dauntless would be adorable in that. Here we go again. Bag, inside bag, inside bag. It's like Christmas. By the time you get your orders from China, you forget. Especially if you're like me and you order more. It's like, oh yeah, I ordered that. Oh, this is for one of my Smart dolls. I just thought it was cute. Little game, what do you call these? Game pads? Controllers, yeah. There you go. Shows you how smart I am. The only thing I don't like, it's only printed on one side. But cute enough. I don't know, I think it was less than $1. I love AliExpress. Do I leave links? I do not, for two reasons. One, I am not affiliated. I'm only buying this stuff for me. And if you go there and search, you will find more than, oh no. No, it's not. I thought it was two left shoes. Is that one? No, it's just got glue across there. How cute are these? These are less than $3. I think they're less than $2. Really cute little shoes. Anyway, I don't leave links below because I'm not paid by them. I'm not trying to, oh, these are for bicycles. Darren and I are trying to ride several times a week. We get our mileage up pretty good. Not great, but pretty good. Oh, they're not bad. They do not have, well, they do kind of, but they don't have thumb. They're double at the thumb, but they don't have the padding at the thumb. But they're good enough. Okay, and they're bicycle riding gloves so that if you would spill, your hands don't get chopped up and you can get back up on your bike and ride. All right.
And the other thing is AliExpress inventory, and the sellers are always selling out, and there's new stuff, and
Yeah, exactly.
you just,
Exactly.
what's available today won't be tomorrow.
Yep.
and-
My best idea for you is to just go, oh, this is a gift. I'm not going to show it. Just go and look around. Put in, what I do is I put in 1/3 BJD doll. Sometimes I simply put that. Oh, I love these. I got more because I could. These are less than $3. I think these are so cute on the Smart Dolls. Now, I heat these up before I put them on. You can use a hair dryer for that. Just heat it up a little bit so that this stretches. After it stretches the first time it's been on the doll's foot, then it'll stay pretty much. I will say, I don't leave my dolls displayed in shoes. Most are high heels. These would be okay, but I usually take my dolls' shoes off for display. Thank you for finishing. I thought, well, this is just a cycling day, isn't it? Okay. Our 29-inch, that's the wheel size, bicycles have over 10,000 miles on them. I'm not exaggerating. We rode a lot. We're starting to ride a lot more. These are supposed to be, which way do they go? This way. More comfortable for your hand. They don't look like it to me. My handlebar grips are like getting sticky and old. We bought them in what, 2000?
I couldn't remember now. It's 10 years ago, maybe 8 years ago.
Maybe. I don't think it's been 10 years. Anyway, we bought them several years ago. Those bikes are fantastic. If you have a 29er, you can really cover some ground. And I like stretching out over a bike. I do not like the way that bike stores tell you to fit a bike. They have you all cramped up. I see people on the trail on these small bikes with these long legs, and their knees are about hitting them in the chest as they go. I like a big bike stretched out. This is a fun find. On the front page of AliExpress, you will find deals. Some are 99 cents. I bought Katie my Yorkshire Terrier dog beds for like $1.89. And they're not great, but they're not bad. And she likes them. On the front page one day, Blythe have my heart. I love, love, love Blythe dolls. Yes, I'm overindulging in Smart Dolls, and Blythe are kind of taking the back seat right now, but I love Blythe. Anyway, on the front page, see the pull string? That's how a Blythe doll works. You pull the string, her eyes change colors and directions. Love these dolls. Anyway, front page, this doll was less than $12. I can't remember. It's like 11 something or 12.28 or something like that. I almost bought several, but I have several. But these are, oh, I love these dolls. I love sewing for these dolls. I love Blythe people. I just love them. So I went ahead but I only got one. Look at the box again. Look at this box again. It's maddening. It's just maddening. But she seems okay. I checked her little legs and everything. And these are such pretty dolls. To me, with this hair, they're like a winter doll. They're just, oh, they're gorgeous. Beth Ramston, Tammy Polly, and J Dolls UK and I did last winter, or was it the winter before, a winter Blythe doll collab. And you might enjoy seeing that, see what we did with our Blythe dolls, making them a winter doll. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.